Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this custom PVC snorkel. I couldn't find any just to buy off eBay or whatever, so I made it myself and it wasn't too bad. It was still pretty cheap and I like the look of it. It looks really cool. So I'll show you guys what I used. Alright, so here's what I used. This is the PVC that I got. It was like 15 bucks for a size that went from here all the way to the ceiling. So it was really big. Got extra, as you can see. That over there. And we had to use this. Me and Dawson, we did it together. We had to use this to cut the hole in the fender. Obviously we use this paint because it's black now. You don't want to use ABS pipe, you want to use PVC. I was looking it up. ABS would, expand in the heat or something, or warp. So we're last second, I copped PVC instead of ABS. Use some of this adhesive. I'll show you where we used it. We didn't use it all over the place, just on a few spots. And this is the main glue, yellow ABS cement. That's what we used to glue all the pieces together. And now I'll show you the design and how we figured it all out. Okay, so as you can see, that's the filter there. So right back here, that's the filter. We put that adhesive all over it just to block air because it's pretty loose. And then down here we had a 3" to 3", and it's a rubber piece, so it's flexy. So we were able to put it over our stock intake right there. That's stock, that plastic piece, and then we silicone the shit out of it, that adhesive stuff, and it's working good so far. And then we went to an ABS because that's all I had. So it's a bit jonky, this thing, but ABS was a bit loose. It fit to the 3" perfect. It was a bit loose for this one, so we had to use more of that gray adhesive, and then that's the last spot we used it. So the rest is just, you can see PVC, glue, PVC, like bends. So we did the 3" to a 90. That's a 90, yeah, to a 90, to a little piece in between, to another 90, to now just a straight piece here, all the way to this guy here, which is a 90. We had a bit of an issue with the silicone, it didn't dry fast enough. And then we went straight to 45, up, straight to another 45, straight to 45, then went 90, 90, and then I found this cool drain thing. So we threw that up there. To bolt it down, we just got that universal bracket type thing, you'd call it. We just bolted her in 2 spots. There, on 2 there, and then I got a zap strap to my light bar mount. That's why they sent me that sticker, zip tie technician. So yeah, it was pretty simple. We were scared cutting through the fender here, but it wasn't too bad. It went pretty smooth. As you can see, I got a lot of room. I could still put that battery back probably, but we'll do that. So yeah, that's it. The only way I could figure it out for a 93 Ranger. I was looking to buy one and just throw it on, but that wasn't an option. So I had to build it myself out of PVC. I'll also show you some more stuff. I just did this exhaust today. It's just Canadian Tire, just out the side, because it was no muffler all the way back from here. So I just put it out the side. It went pretty good. You see this little spot there, it just goes through. And my girlfriend got me this toolbox for the back of my Ranger. DZ. Pretty nice, fits a lot of stuff. I got 2" spacers on the rear as well. And because I wasn't sure if the hub centric would fit for the front, which they don't because of the manual locking hubs. So yeah, here's the 2" in the back. It looks really good, I like it way better. You can see it pokes like perfect fitment, almost. And I got the fronts, they're in the States, I just have to pick them up. They're 2" as well, but I know they're gonna stick out further than the back. So yeah, that's it for today. The snorkel works good. You guys should give it a go. If you can't find it online, just do it yourself. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.